My name is Windsor Griffing, and this is my friend Andrew Barlow. We're roommates, and we're on a hunt to find some cost-effective, good quality, good sounding wireless earbuds. We both have AirPods. I paid $145 for mine, and
I got mine for free from a dumpster.
Yeah, he found them outside of a dumpster, which is pretty upsetting because I paid so much money for these little pieces of junk. They have great sound, but the battery life is dying. They fall out of my ears all the time, these AirPods, and I'm looking for something else, so I thought I'd help everyone else in their journey of finding something that's good and cheap and that also sounds comparable to AirPods. So we have the Jib Pluses. First of all, Skullcandy, what is a jib? You know what a jib is?
It's like a gibling, giblet.
Jimbo from The Office, jibbo.
Stab, like a jib.
And then why is it a plus? Is it like for plus size people?
I don't think so.
Big ear
I think
canals?
it's just supposed to make it sound like a lot better. It's like, oh, well, Jib wasn't so great, so let's go with Jib Plus.
They're pretty cool. I'm just upset that Amazon dented the box. So I know I'm probably just being picky, but that's annoying to me. All right, let's open these up though. Let's see. So you open them up here. All right, so first of all, we have different ear size pieces. If you have big ear canals, which I do not, they're very small actually, in case any of you cared. Let's see. Yeah, I guess the wire is kind of annoying, but I guess if you're working out at the gym or something, it'll be handy to have a wire around your neck, so they can just kind of like hang right here when you're not using them, or if you need to talk to somebody, you just plop it down, which is cool.
It's harder to lose too.
Oh yeah, a lot harder to lose. AirPods, man, they're bouncy. They bounce all over the place if you drop them on the ground, that's for sure.
It's true. You don't want to like lose them at a dumpster or something.
True, actually. And then someone like you will pick them up and not return them.
Exactly.
Anyway, it looks here that they have like a volume button up and down, and then maybe a skip or pause and play button here, and they have two of these, maybe like to counteract the other one. This one doesn't have any buttons or anything, or it's for battery life. I'm sure that's a component there. These things have a 4-star rating on Amazon, which is nice. They were 15 bucks, almost 16, $15.75. So they're cheap, and I'm pretty hopeful that these are going to sound pretty good. You can charge it here on the side with a little micro USB that they give you. This little port here. I think we should give these a shot. You want to connect them to your Android and see how they interact with that?
Thank you for mentioning that I have an Android.
He does have an Android.
Superior.
He is inferior to Apple users. Pairing. Okay. So now it's blinking blue and red. You want to, when you first open them, make sure it says power on, but on the power on, you keep holding it down and it'll go into pair mode, it seems. So, I mean, that's not too hard. And once you pair it, you'll be able to pair it much easier the next time around. What's strange too is they have this like silicone half circle on the top of them, or on the side, I should say. So I don't know what that's for. Maybe it's to just better hold it in your ear, but I don't see it being effective at all. I mean, just maybe jamming them in your ears will work pretty well. But all right, powered up. Let's see what we got.
Could be for style.
I do like that. It's kind of like a jump rope, but then you can like put it behind your neck.
Yeah, if you want to be a douche.
So wait, hold on. Which side? Left, right. Okay. It has a 6-hour battery life, which is nice. Probably because these big black pod things. It's also splash resistant, whatever that means. So I don't think that's waterproof in any way, but maybe if you're sweating or you're taking a jog in the rain. Oh.
I wasn't sure how loud it would.
They have a pretty good sound, actually. Can you hear it at all?
Yeah, I can actually. It's a little bleeding. It's a good song though, so I don't mind.
I really like me some Shakira. It's good.
Is this Shakira?
I can't really hear much outside of these either, but the volume's all the way up and it's still pretty low, so that's kind of disappointing. What happens if you turn it down?
You won't yell as much.
So now I can hear everything, and it's like 25%. I can still hear the music, but it's not very loud. So I can definitely see why these things are $15 or almost $16. It's great for if you're going on a run or you're at the gym and you don't really care much about sound that much, but they do sound really good, and they do get pretty loud. It's just They're also not private, right? You said you could hear.
Yeah, I could.
Yeah. You know, look, $16. What do you expect? I'm pretty impressed with these for $16. You know.
It's true.
We're not getting jibbed actually. It's a deal. We're not getting jibbed.
It could be positive. It could be negative.
I like these. All right, we're gonna move on to the next one, and we'll compare them to these.